When you think of Canada, beavers come to mind immediately. But have you ever wondered if the famous beaver tail pastry is actually made from an animal? Today we are uncovering the true history and delicious science behind this Canadian delicacy. Beaver tails are actually a registered trademark owned by a specific Canadian restaurant chain called Beaver Tails. This company has been operating since 1978, transforming simple fried dough into an international snack phenomenon. The creation story began in 1978 at the Killaloe Fair, west of Ottawa, Ontario. Inventors Pam and Grant Hooker hand-stretched the dough to resemble a beaver's tail, creating a unique shape that defines this pastry. Despite the name, these treats are not taken from animals. Instead, they are big paddles of yeasted dough that are fried to a golden crispness, then coated in delicious toppings like cinnamon sugar. You might assume this is a centuries-old pioneer tradition, but the full history is more modern. In French, they are known as queues de castor, emphasizing their shape rather than any biological origin. Today, you can find these pastries in a network of shops across Canada and beyond. They represent a unique fusion of Canadian nature and modern food culture, offering a sweet taste of the country. So, the next time you see this golden tail-shaped treat, remember it is a clever culinary invention born at a fair in Ontario, not a snack from the wild. It is a true Canadian icon, now that you know the real history of this sweet treat. Have you ever tried a beaver tail? Let us know your favorite topping choice in the comments below.